All right, so now we're going to find the area of the composite figures. So I went ahead and put down the numbers I measured in inches. And so we have 4 and 3. So I went ahead and multiplied that together, which is 12. So the last shape we're going to find is the area of our triangle. So remember, for a triangle, it's 1/2 BH. So we have our base of the triangle, which is the bottom. There's not a number, but again, we look at the bottom of the rectangle, and that says 4 inches. So our base is 4, our height is 2, and then we're going to multiply them together. So 4 times 2 is 8. Half of 8 is 4. So remember, halving just means divide it by 2. Final step is to add the two numbers. We have 12 for the rectangle, 4 for the triangle, which is 16 inches squared for our area in all. All right, so look, here is our next shape. So again, I went ahead and measured. This one's going to be in centimeters. So we have the shape in the middle. So we multiply. So 4 times 4, which is 16. And then last is to find the area of the triangle. So again, our formula, 1/2 BH. So base of the triangle we have is 4. Height of the triangle is 7. We're going to multiply them together, which is 28. We're going to half 28. So that means divide it by 2. Which is 14. And again, since it's just one height, that means they're all the same heights. Because sometimes you can have triangles with different heights, and so you have to be careful to make sure you find the area, if it's all different areas or if it's just 2 of each, or they're all the same. All right, so now we're going to add. So again, quick way to add if it's all the same, just multiply, count how many you have of that number, and then multiply it by how many you had. So in this case, we have 14. We have 4 of them, so I'm going to multiply 14 by 4. So 4 times 4 is 16, carry our 1. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. We'll add the number in the middle, which is 16. And we get 72 centimeters squared. All right, so now we have our last shape. Again, I went ahead and measured, so this is in centimeters. We're going to let pi be 3. So start with our triangle, our 1/2 BH. Our base of the triangle is 8. Height of the triangle is 12. 8 times 12 is 96. We're going to cut that in half, dividing it by 2. So 2 will go into 9 4 times, which is 8. We subtract, we get 1, bring down our 6. 2 will go into 16 8 times. And so that area is 48. Now we're going to do the half circle. So again, for the half circle, we put our half and then put our circle formula, which is pi r squared. So we're going to let pi be 3. We ask ourselves, is it a radius or diameter? And that is a diameter. So we're going to make it into a radius by cutting it in half, which is 4. So remember, for r squared, we're going to put r down 2 times. So I'm going to multiply. 4 times 4 is 16. Then we're going to do 16 times 3. So 3 times 6 is 18. Carry our 1. 3 times 1 plus 1 is 4. And then we're going to half 48. So we're going to divide that by 2. And we get 24. And then remember, final step, add them together. And if you do not add them together, your answer will be wrong. I'm not going to count it if you don't add them. So we're going to add 48 and 24. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry our 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 2 is 7. So we get 72 centimeters squared. All right, so now it is time for you to work on your homework.